Welcome back. Today we're exploring Calculation.com, a powerful AI image generator. On the main dashboard, you'll see a prompt area and default dimensions of 1024 pixels. It's a clean interface designed for speed. First, let's adjust dimensions. I'm setting the width to 1280 and height to 720. This creates a standard 16 by 9 widescreen format. I'll paste a detailed prompt describing a golden hour landscape with mountains. Here our settings are locked in. A detailed description allows the generator to understand lighting and textures. It's the best way to get professional and cinematic 8K results every time. Once we click Generate, the processing begins. You'll notice a loading indicator while the AI interprets our prompt. This workflow is efficient because it handles complex rendering in the cloud. While we wait, notice how the UI remains straightforward and user-friendly. This tool is excellent for creating high-quality marketing materials or conceptual art for your brand. Let's review our configuration. We have the 1280 by 720 resolution set, and our Paradise-themed prompt is fully loaded. The button now shows a generating status. This confirms the system is actively building our custom landscape based on the intricate details we provided about the mountain mist. And there it is. The AI has delivered a stunning, high-resolution landscape with beautiful sunset lighting. The misty atmosphere and mountain textures look incredible. If you're happy with the result, use the download button below to save the file now. Notice how the sunlight dapples through the trees and reflects off the lake. This level of detail is exactly why we use 8K prompts to create an immersive, ethereal aura. Next, let's look at VHere, another versatile tool. It offers a unique style for characters and scenes. Whether you need a 3D rendered look or a hero, the UI makes it simple. You can even generate cinematic scenes like this dragon-shaped spacecraft. These options demonstrate how flexible the platform is for creative needs. Now we'll try a whimsical steampunk prompt for a squirrel. Here's another example showing a vibrant, colorful character design. The AI captures textures like the headphones perfectly. It's a great demonstration of how the tool handles diverse subjects easily. Moving on, we're setting up a painterly alpine valley scene. To make this work for our layout, I'm opening the aspect ratio menu. We have several options, but for this tutorial, we'll select the cinematic 16 by 9 format to match our high-quality video needs. With the ratio set, we'll hit Generate. A processing message appears, reminding us not to close the page. This ensures the request completes smoothly. We've sped up the footage to show the progression. Even at 3 times speed, you can see the system working through the layers of the image. It's a straightforward process that allows you to focus on the creative aspect while the AI handles the heavy lifting. Staying on the page is key here to avoid any interruptions in the generation. A notification pops up letting us know the image will be ready shortly. This real-time feedback is very useful for managing your workflow as the preview takes shape now. This is a beautiful result. The sun is setting behind the peaks, creating a warm golden light that reflects off the river. Notice how the pine trees are rendered with incredible detail. Looking closer at the rapids, the dynamic flow of the water is captured perfectly against the stones. The way the light filters through the trees adds a layer of realism that is hard to achieve elsewhere. This picturesque scene illustrates how effective these prompts can be for generating tranquil environments for your projects. Next, we'll switch to Magic Studio. It's another great tool for creating art from words. I'll start by typing a simple prompt for a portrait of a wizard with a long beard. You can see how the interface is very clean. Now I'm clearing that to paste a much more detailed landscape description. This one focuses on mist-shrouded valleys and turquoise rivers. Adding specific textures like moss and morning dew helps the AI produce something breathtaking in high resolution for our project today. After clicking Create, our new mountain valley image appears. It matches our description. Notice the navigation bar at the top where you can access tools or upgrade your account for more features. Finally, let's explore this dark purple interface featuring a Dolphin logo. It offers advanced options like choosing between different models such as Genius or HD. You can also prioritize speed or quality depending on your specific needs. I'll right-click to paste a prompt for a dramatic Himalayan mountain range. We've selected the quality preference and the panda icon for our style, which ensures the final image is unique. In this view, we can configure our models and styles more deeply. I'm choosing a circular shape for this generation to demonstrate how flexible the aspect ratios are. We're finalizing our selection by hovering over the quality button and clicking generate. The result is a scenic waterfall image that captures the majesty of the mountains perfectly. This tool is reliable for high-quality visuals. You can use the download button to export your masterpiece instantly. It's a straightforward and effective way to utilize AI models for stunning results. Let's take a moment to admire the details in the water and the lighting on the peaks, which were all generated directly from our text instructions. The landscape feels both vibrant and very natural. Now let's look at the Nano Banana AI generator. It's powered by Gemini and is completely free. This makes it a great option for professional edits. The interface is intuitive, offering unlimited generations. I'm pasting a detailed Alpine Valley prompt here. It includes specifics about granite peaks and rainbow-hued waterfalls. Providing this level of detail ensures the AI creates a surreal and realistic landscape every single time we use it. When we click Generate, a quick Cloudflare verification screen appears. Once that's successful, the request is submitted. You'll see a fun hamster animation while it processes, with an estimated time of about 20 seconds to complete your high-quality request. While the hamster runs, you might notice the process takes quite a while. I have actually sped up this part of the video by 7 times so you don't have to sit through the entire wait. The result was good, but it took a lot of time and the result clip didn't get saved during my session. Still, it is a unique tool and you can try it for yourself to see how it works. The interface is designed to streamline your creative flow, whether you're enhancing visuals or starting from scratch. This is a solid example of how AI tools are making digital art more accessible today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials.